guess what I have on my hands? This is a pack of foil that I got from Beauty Bigbang. I am reviewing this, and if you want to place an order, here's the item number is J9964. I will try to provide a link, a direct link to this particular item, and if you're going to be placing an order, just make sure you use my 10% off code. It's D like David 705. You can follow them on Instagram, you can follow them on Facebook. Always hashtag Beauty Bigbang if you're going to be sharing a photo that has any of the products that you're using in your design, and make sure you are following them because they are always having amazing giveaways and promotions. So let's go ahead and get this started. I don't know if I'll put these on my nails or if I'll do it another way, but let me just go ahead and open this because I don't remember exactly how many sheets are in here. You do get a variety of different colors and designs, so that's pretty awesome. Let's see here. It's pretty thick. And it's probably one long sheet, yeah, so it's like this. What is that, like 8 inches or longer? I don't have a ruler, I'm sorry, I cannot measure it. But let's just go through all the colors. That's red right here. And then you have this gorgeous magenta. This one is just a plain silver. And then you got this like a hollow blue. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera. Here's a green one. Here's another silver one. This is more hollow. This is another red one. I think it's the same. No, it's not the same pattern. Same color, but different pattern. If you look at it up close. And this is a gold one. This one is like stuck to it. Another gold one. This is more plain. Oh, look at that. Wow. Another red one. I just skipped over this. Here's another gold one. Blue. And then you got more of the silver. All of these pretty hollow colors. Gold. Red. This is pretty. That's pretty much the same as the red one, except in a blue tone. Let me see if I could do this. So here's another gold one. This is pretty. Another gold one. So I'm not going to be able to test like all these colors. Maybe I'll choose a couple and try to do a design for you guys. If you want me to use a certain color that I don't use, just let me know down in the comment section below, and I could upload another video another time. Here's a pretty red one also, green. I see a magenta coming up. I think I just skipped over one. I'm sorry guys, these are kind of like stuck to each other. Okay, here it is. This is a purple. It looks more kind of purple. A gold one, a silver one. I didn't keep track of the count, but I could count it offline and include the information in the description box for you guys. It's a silver, another gold, blue. Oh my god, there's so many in here. I can go on days and days with this. Another silver. Looks like there's purple behind this one. Yep. Looks like purple. More silver. Another silver here. You really don't need that much. And this will last you for a very long time. Especially if you don't use foils all the time. Let me just flip this over here. It is stapled on this side, so it doesn't come loose. And then you got more purple again, a gold one, magenta, more of the silver tones and gold, red. So it seems like you have a couple of the magentas, then you have some greens and blues, gold, silvers, and reds. I think I mentioned all the colors. More silver, and this is the last one. So yeah, look at that. Those are a lot of sheets, many different colors. So let me go ahead and pick out a few and do a design for you guys. By the way, if you haven't watched this video, I just did this upload right now. This is a review on the stamping polish. It's this olive green from also Beauty Bigbang. So go ahead and check that out. I can link it down below for you guys as well. Out of these variety of colors, I just chose 4 of those, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some nail glue, or I'm sorry, I apologize, foil glue on this. And then what you can also do is use a foil stamping polish like the ones that Moira has, like these right here. I will test it out with that and see how that works with that. So we can do it with the foil glue and the stamping foil polish. Okay, if you have any questions, just jot it down below, but let's go ahead and continue on with this video. I'm going to apply this just all over the nail here. I'll do it on 3 of these, and then the one on the left, this one, and that one we'll do the stamping foil polish with it. Oh, it works. Look at that. Look how so pretty. Okay, let's do another one.